Collect all keys, new or existing, to be used with the RFD system. Note that all keys must be programmed together in one session. Ensure the controller is off. Hold the disarm switch while pressing the on button. Place an electric key in the controller's electronic key reader. Use the appropriate key adapter if needed. There'll be no lights for the controller key. Press the show battery level switch. The above, oh, this key's already programmed. Okay. To program a controller unit key, all select lights should be out. If any select lights are flashing, press the select switch to turn off the light. Press the status switch to store the unit ID or controller ID in the key. Repeat procedures 4 through 9 for each key to be, oh, well that's, okay. For the remote key, we'll use the select light to match up the units. So show battery level, select, flashing together, status. The information for unit 1 is now written to this key. For remote number 2, show battery level, select, flashing together, hit the status key. So repeat these steps for all the keys that need to be programmed. If the process is interrupted, you must reprogram all the keys from the beginning. When all the keys are programmed, exit the key programming session by pressing the off switch. I didn't exactly